Hi, I'm Rebecca Barton and I teach kindergarten in Hayesville. This is my fifth year teaching. I've been in kindergarten all 5 years. Currently, right now, I don't have a lot of extracurricular things that I'm involved in at school. I have a 3-year-old at home and a newborn, so that is keeping me currently very busy. The person that I have looked up to the most and that's influenced my life the most would probably be my mom. We were super close growing up. We're still really close. I go to her for advice, but I've learned a lot the more that I've grown and the older that I've become. So as a mom, I've learned how awesome of a mom she was and how much she was there. And when I was in college, she was just a support system that I could lean on and talk to, and it's just been really cool. And she's just been there for me through everything. And I don't know, I hope someday that I can have that much influence on my kids' lives here at my house, or even the kids in kindergarten, that they inspire to be like me, or they look up to me the way that I really respect my mom and look up to my mom. The personality test was really interesting and I enjoyed taking it. I scored really high in being an extrovert and emotional stability, which is interesting because I am outgoing. I don't have a problem talking to people. I do tend to get more shy when it's a big group of people that I've never met, but within a small place, I'm okay with going and talking to people, and it doesn't make me uncomfortable to be around a lot of people. And as far as emotional stability, I seem to, when things get frustrating or hard or difficult, I seem to keep my head on really tight and able to work through that and figure it out and not let that emotion affect what I'm doing. The test was really accurate, and I really thought that it matched who I was and what I thought I was going to score. My two leadership theories that I thought I matched really well with was democratic leadership, which is where I feel like input from my colleagues is really important, and then situational theory, which just means that you're flexible, that depending on the situation, on what's going on, you can adapt your theory and figure out which is going to work best for that. Everything seemed to match really well. Those two theories match me, and they fit really well into how I scored on the personality test. I mean, you have to be an extrovert in order to be a leader. You have to be outgoing and be willing to talk to people, but you also have to be emotionally stable in order to handle a job that is stressful and hard like that. So I think they go hand in hand together, and I was not really surprised that I scored like that, and not really surprised that they connected so well together.